Hey guys, welcome to Kid 2 Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the letter V from alphabet lore. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's start by drawing an angled line down from the top. Then angle it back up to form a V shape, but make this one a little bit lower. Now from the top, let's curve it out on both sides. And then angled lines down. And then a curve at the bottom to close it off. And that's it for the basic shape of the V. Let's move in and draw the eyes next. Overlapping the left side here, let's draw a rounded square shape. And now let's do the same on the right. Next, let's erase the overlapping lines inside. Now let's move inside each eye and draw a rectangle shape. And then let's color both of these in black. And that's it for the eyes. Let's move down and draw the mouth next. Let's draw a V-shaped curve on the bottom here. Then from the top, let's curve it over. And then another V to close it off. And lastly, inside, let's draw two curves. And that's it for the letter V. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!